Well, it's another day and yet another feather to Priyanka Chopra's hat. After dropping truth bombs about Bollywood's double standards and camps in Bollywood, Priyanka Chopra has made a cut into the list of wealthiest celebrity-owned beauty brands in the world. Priyanka Chopra's hair care brand Anomaly has surpassed Kylie Jenner's Kylie Cosmetics, Ariana Grande's REM Beauty and Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty, where Rihanna's Fenty Beauty is the category leader. Drew Barrymore's Flower Beauty is 6th in the index, followed by Australian author Zoe Foster Blake's Go To Skincare at 7th, Katie Holmes' Alterna Hair Care at 8th, Maria Sharapova's Supergoop at 9th, and American YouTuber Jeffree Star Cosmetics at 10th. Well, Rihanna's Fenty Beauty takes the top spot as the current wealthiest celebrity beauty brand, followed by Priyanka's Anomaly. According to the report, Priyanka Chopra's brand is the second wealthiest celebrity brand in terms of revenue with £429.9 million. Rihanna's cosmetic brand takes the top spot on the list with £477.2 million. The report, which covers everything from the wealthiest to the most Googled celebrity beauty brands this year, has outlined the biggest beauty movers of 2023, and among them is Priyanka Chopra with her hair care brand Anomaly Hair Care. US reality TV personality Kylie Jenner's Kylie Cosmetics is third on the list with £301.4 million. Singer Ariana Grande's REM Beauty stood 4th on the list with £70.3 million, and Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez made up to the top 5 with £50.2 million in revenues. Priyanka Chopra established her hair care company last year. In 2022, Vogue India interviewed Priyanka about starting a beauty company. In the interview, she said, and I quote, "I have just recently taken to the business side of both beauty and entertainment industries. That made me bifurcate the difference between sitting in the stylist's chair and using a bunch of products to actually having a say in the products going into my hair." Priyanka remembered her childhood days and said, "As a baby, I had no hair. Imagine, my grandma was afraid I'd be bald forever. So she'd make me sit between her legs and give me a good old chumpy. I guess it worked." Well, a UK-based beauty comparison platform Cosmetify said in its new post that there are many ways to measure a success of a brand, but revenue is arguably the most important. Hence, these brands have been listed based on their annual revenue. Well, talking about the work front, on the acting front, Priyanka will be seen next in Citadel and also in a romantic comedy called Love Again. Priyanka recently appeared in The Matrix Resurrection. Well, if you like the information, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to One India News.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.